correct? So we started with HCF problems under factorization method. So any doubts in that factorization method? Did you all get the answer for the last problem? This problem 105615, what is the answer that you got? 66. Everybody got 66? Very good. So let us continue. Now, next one is division method. Now, like how you have division method in LCM, similarly, you have division method in HCF also, but the way we solve the problem is a little different. Okay, so we will see how to solve the division method here. So first we are supposed to find out the HCF. We are supposed to find out the HCF of 210 and 55. Now this division mostly happens like a normal division. Okay, so let us start. So first step, what you're supposed to do is find out which is the greater number and which is the smaller number given. Now out of 210 and 55, can you say me which is the greater number? $210. So it's very evident. So since 210, okay, so we will write it like this. Now 210 is greater than 55. So we shall divide 210 by 55. This is the first step that you have to do. First find out which is the bigger number, which is the small number, and out of that you're supposed to, once you identify which is the bigger number and the smaller number, divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Okay, it's the basic division that we do. Now after this, next step, we are going to do a normal division. So the bigger number, that is 210, is going to come in the center and we do normal division. So we are going to do division using 55. Now, how much can I divide? Like 210 by 55, do I really get the direct number? Can you all find out and say me what is the number I can use? $55? No, not 42. Don't go by 42. Okay. So that will be a very bigger number. See, if you divide 210 by 55, you get 3.81 something. Okay. So what we will do is 55 threes we will take. So what is 55 threes? 55 threes is 165. So 165. Now let us subtract 210 minus 165. How much do you get? How much do you get? Others also. I want others also to reply. 210 minus 165. You get 45. So 45 is the remainder in the first step. Okay, sorry, the second step. Now what is the first step that we did? First step is we wrote this saying we will divide 210 by 55. Second step, what did we do? 55 and 210, we started dividing. 55 threes are 165, and then we got the remainder as, this is the remainder, that is 45. Okay, so clear until here? Any doubts? Let's continue then. Now, the next step, okay, we are going to follow it up here only. The third step. Now 45 we have got. Now 45, we will make it as a dividend and the divisor. Now 55 will come down. Now this 55, whatever was there, this is gonna come here as 55. Okay. Aishu, 3.8181 I cannot take. No points cannot be taken directly. Okay, we are only gonna take whole numbers and then we are gonna do it. Okay, now here what we will do is, now I am supposed to divide 55 by 45. So I can take 45 ones are correct. You people are correct. 45 ones are 45. So what is the remainder? 10. I'll have 10 as the remainder. Okay. Now next step, I am supposed to take, or I am supposed to consider this 45 for 10. Okay. I'll make 10 the divisor and we will have 45 in this place. Just a second. We'll have 45 in this place. Okay. Now, I can go with 10 fours of 40. So what is the remainder? 5. Okay. So 10 fours of 40, the remainder is 5. Now I will continue it in the next page. Now we have 5. And then what was the other number which was remaining? 10 is gonna come down. So 10. So I can go with 5 twos are 10. Okay. 5 twos are 10. And the remainder is 0. So this is the last step. 5 twos are 10. The remainder is 0. So this will end our division part. Now, how do we consider what is HCF? Okay. Now, in this last step where 0 is the remainder, we have taken 5, or we have divided 10 by 5. Correct? We have divided 10 by 5. The quotient is 2, Pavan, correct? The quotient is 2, but understand, wait for a minute. In the division method, you are supposed to take this last number which we have divided, that will become the HCF. So, HCF is equal to 5. This is a little different from what we learned in factorization method. I'll repeat it again. Please listen carefully. Now, in this step, first step, we are supposed to identify which is the greater number and which is the lesser number. Now, the greater number is 210. So, we take that in the center, and the lesser number is which we divide with. So, 55, 3s are 165. I get remainder as 45. And then I have 55 here. So this 55, I mean, which is that 55? This 55, which I'm going to take it from here. Okay, that 55 will come down. And now I'm going to reduce that again. So which is 45 into 1, which is 45. So I have remainder 10. Now, after getting one remainder, I will take this 45 and I'll get it here. Okay, so 45 I have. So 10 fours are 40. 5 is the remainder. We continued this in the next page because since I didn't have the place there. So 5 was there. 10. This 10 went on to the next page and is written here. Okay, so 5 2s are 10. I got 0 as the remainder. Quotient is 2. Okay, quotient is 2. That is correct. Now, whichever is the last number you have divided with, that number will become the quotient. Sorry, that number will become the HCF. So HCF of this whole process, after doing all the process, what is the HCF that we got? 5. Did you all understand? Let us solve one more problem. I think it will be much clearer. Now, find the HCF of 256 and 1166. So there are bigger numbers. Always have calculator with you handy. Not mobile calculators, but you should have one calculator along with you, which is very handy. Okay. Now, so the first step is going to be, which is the bigger number. We have to identify which is the greater number. So 1166 is greater than 256. Correct? So 1166 is greater than 256. So we are going to, one second. Yeah, we are going to divide this 1166 by 256. That's not 2056 Pawan, it is 256. That 0 is not there. Okay. So let us start. So 1166 will come in center. Okay. And then we have 256. Now, how do we know which number is divisible? Just multiply or just check 256 table. 256 ones are, 256 twos are, 256 threes are, 256 fours are. Like this, you just check 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay, how much do you get? 256 into 2 is 512. No. Let us check 3. 3 is 768. 4 is 1024. 5 will become too much. We will go with 4. 256 into 4, 1024. Okay, 256 into 4. Let me just take out this part because place will not be enough. Okay, so 1024. Now, how much is the remainder? 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And we have 1. That 1 and 1 will go away. So 142 is the correct. 142 is the remainder. Now, which number am I supposed to take now? Good. Few of them have already solved. Lakshmi, 4 is not the answer, my dear. Please check once again. Yeah, 256. Very good. So 256, we will take it here. Now check 142 table. 142 into 2 itself will go 284. Right? Are you all able to understand? Yeah. So we'll stick with 142 ones are. Why we are not going 142 twos are? Because we'll get 284. So which is more than this. So we'll go with 142 ones are 142. Now subtract 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 114 we got. And then, now which number should I take down? Which number should I take it down? 142. Now again, 142, I think it will only go with ones are, right? So 114 ones are 114. 114 ones are 114. Now do the subtraction. So I'll take one borrowing here. So this will become 12. So 12 minus 4 is 12 minus 4 is quickly. Yeah, HCF is 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. And then we have 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1, 1 will go away. Okay. Next, 114. Now, which is the table that we will check? 28 twos are or 28 fours are? We can go with 28 fours are. Yeah, HCF is 2. Very good. 28 into 4. 28 fours are 112. So what is the remainder that we get? I'll just add another page here so we can continue. Okay. So 114 minus 112, we get 2 as the remainder, right? So for 2, which is the number should I take it down now? 28. So 2 14s are 28, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, correct? So I get 0 as the remainder. Now I can easily say, since 2 is the last number where we got remainder as 0, so the HCF is equal to 2. Everybody understood? Yeah, many of them had given the answers and you were all right. Good. So we'll solve one more problem. Yeah, now give this a try. We have 3 numbers. Until now we had only 2 numbers. Now with 3 numbers, what are we supposed to do? We have to take 2 numbers at a time. Okay, we cannot go with 3 numbers at a time. You cannot divide 3 numbers at a time using the division method. So first choose first 2 numbers and find out HCF. After that, whatever answer you get, that will be one part. And then we will take that HCF and the third number and find out the final HCF. Okay, we will first solve, or we will first go with 210 and 385. As in when we do the problem, I will explain it to you. Okay, so let us start. Now out of 210 and 385, which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? 210. So 385 is greater than 210. So let us start with our division. So we will have 210 here and 385 here. Now which is the table that will go? To, check with 210 ones are, 210 twos are. What is 210 twos are? What is the value of it? 420. So 420 is more than 385. So we cannot do anything. We cannot use 2. So we'll go with ones are. Okay, so 210 ones are 210. Subtract. Same with the remainder. You will get 5, 8 minus 1, 7, 3 minus 2, 1. Correct? You're supposed to subtract. Lakshmi, yeah, correct. Lakshmi, your HCF answer is right. Now use that HCF and 735 to find out the next HCF. Spurti, you are also correct. Yeah, good. 35 is the correct answer. Whoever has got 35 as the answer, now divide 35 and 735 to get the final HCF. Okay, others concentrate here. So 175 we have got. Now we are going to take 210. Now here again I have to take ones because twos will become more. So that is 175. Yes. Now here 10. 10 minus 5 is, final HCF is also 35. Good. Okay, Aishu. Good. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here it is 0. I'll take a borrowing again. 10 minus 7 is 3. So 35. Now I'm going to take 175 here. Now 35 into what is 175? 35 5s are 175. Just check 35 table, you will easily get. So I get remainder as 0. Okay. Yeah. So now the HCF here, the HCF of 210 and 385 is 35. This is first step. Now going on further, let me add another page. We will find out the HCF between, okay, we are going to find out the HCF between 35 and 735. Okay, so 735 will come in the center and 35 will come to the other side. Okay, so 735 by 35, you can, it will go in 21 directly. Yeah, 35 into 21 is 735, where your remainder is 0. Good. So quotient is 21. But what is the HCF? HCF of 35 and 735 is also 35, because if you see here, you have 35. Okay, final answer, put a box, which is compulsory. Everybody understood? Any doubts in division method? Good. We will solve a few more, another 1 or 2 problems. Tomorrow I'll start a new concept. We will start few more or we will solve few more under division method. Okay, we will go with 3 numbers only. So this was 210, 385 and 735. Now next problem. Find the HCF of find the HCF of 513, okay, 1134 and 1215. Can you try this? 513, 1134 and 1215. I'll give you 2 minutes. Just give it a try and then I'll solve it. First solve 513 and 1134. Okay, and say me the HCF, and then we will solve 1215. Good, you are very fast. HCF is 27. Okay. Solve 27 and 1215. Okay. So the LCM between 513 and 1134 is 27. Correct. Final HCF also, sorry, final HCF is also 27. Everybody got the answer? Very good, very good. Anybody want me to solve this? Some of you will be there who will not be able to understand. Okay, we'll quickly solve. Now you people say me what all numbers I should use, and we will quickly solve this. So first we will take 1134 and we have 530. Now say me which is the number. You will get the next sum, Pavan. Please wait. So 513 into 2 is 1026. Very good. Now what is the remainder I get? Remainder is 108. Okay, 108, and then I'm going to take 513 here. So now which is the number I should consider? 108 into 4. Okay, 108 into 4, how much I get? 432. Okay, so what is the remainder? Remainder is 81. Okay, next quickly, 108 I'm supposed to take. 81 ones-a. 81 ones-a, 81. So how much do I get? 27. Okay, 27, and then I have 81. 27 threes-a. Okay, 27 threes-a, 81. So remainder is 0. Very good. So HCF is equal to 27. So this is HCF. This is HCF for first one. Okay. So let us go for the next one. Now we have 27, and along with 27, which is the other number, we have 1215. Okay, so we have, what is wrong with this? Okay, so we have 27 1215. 27 into 45 or 46? 27 into 45. Yeah, 45. 45 is 1215, and we get direct remainder 0. So very good. So you have HCF, the final HCF is also 27. Good. One last problem. Okay, one last. Yes, note submission. I'll send the message in the group. So don't worry. What is the date, when you have to send, how you have to send, everything I'll put a message in the group. Okay, now one last problem. Let us take, find the HCF of, I think this must be easy, 108 and then 288 and 360. Try this and send me the answer quickly. (108), 288 and 360. So first solve 108 and 288, get the HCF, and then solve for 360 along with the HCF. Very good. 36. Okay, find out the final HCF quickly. Final HCF is also 36. Good. So say me the answer now. So I'll take 288 and then we have 108. Yeah, correct. Final HCF is also 36. Good. Now help me solve this problem. 108 into 2's. Okay, how much do I get? 108 into 2? 216. Okay, what will be the remainder? 72. Okay. Now next I'm gonna take 108. Now 108 into 1. Sorry, 72 into 1 is it? Okay, 72 into 1 is 72. What is the remainder I get? 36. And now I take 72 here. Now 36 into 2. Okay, so 36 into 2 is 72 directly. So I get 0. So HCF here is 36. Good. Now going on further to the next part. That
Can you check for product class C1? Product.
okay. So the final HCF is also 36 for the second part. And these are the problems for HCF under division method as well as under your prime factorization method. So until now, what all have we solved? We have solved problems of LCM under prime factorization method and division method. We have also solved HCF under prime factorization method and division method. Okay, so today's class we will stop it for here, and notes completion, everything I'll put a message in the group. Okay, I'll also send today's homework in the group so you can solve that. Fine.